Hello everyone, it's Root Racer 56 here, and today I'm gonna unbox these new Hot Wheel cars and two Matchbox moving parts, and a Speed Racer from Jada Toys. Yeah. So let's get started, shall we? Oh, and tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'll be 25 this year. So, yeah, pretty cool. Eh. Anywho, let's get started. Let's open Speed Racer. Oh, I also forgot. This year marks the 15th anniversary of Speed Racer. Yeah, 15th anniversary of Speed Racer. Yeah, so let's unbox it, shall we? Speed Racer on the box. The Speed Racer logo. Let's bring out the Mach 5. Alright. Now we gotta move these screws off. Like, yeah, brought me the screwdrivers. Hold on. Here. Alright. Unscrew this. Alright. Let's try this one. Yeah. Okay, now it's gonna work. Let's try this one. Okay, that one don't work either. Try you. Almost got it. Would you try it, bitch? Work. There we go. Alright. Here's the Mach 5. Mach 5. Beautiful. Beautiful looking car. Awesome. I like it. I like it very, very a lot. Right. Okay. Next, we're going to unbox is these guys. Moving parts. Here I come. Here I come. Alright. First up, we're going to unbox is new model for 2026. It's the 2024 McLaren GTS. Here's the card art. Here's the car in a package. Let's unbox it. There you go. Here's the McLaren GTS in purple. Got open hood to see the engine. Very cool. Very, very cool. Right there. Next, we got another new model for 2026. It's the 2024 Toyota Yaris GR Rally 2. Here's a card art. Here's the car. Let's unbox it. Here it is. The 2024 Toyota Yaris GR Rally 2. And the front the hood of the car opens up. Very cool. Love a rally car. Alright. Right there. And let's unbox this multi-pack from Silver Series. Here's the cars. Let's unbox it. Here I come. Alright, here they are. First one up is the Nissan Patrol Custom. Here it is, black with silver rims. Got Patrol Nissan on the side. Got gray stripe on the side. Got Nissan on the top of the hood. Got headlights and tail lights in the back and the Hot Wheels logo on there. Cool. Next, we got the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution in gray. We have rally art on the side and black and orange stripe. Silver rims, silver off-road rims. And got BF Goodrich on the hood. Very cool. Got headlights and tail lights in the back. Cool. Next, we got the Nissan Fairlady 2000. And it's purple with magenta stripes. And got Datsun on the side. And got silver rims. And here the tail lights and headlights in the front. Cool. Here I come. Alright. Next, we got the Mazda RX-7 Drift in white with black and orange hood with Yokohama on her. Got orange chrome rim and a silver stripe rim in the back. And got other sponsors on the doors and black and orange stripe and Yokohama on there. Got Mazda on the side. Got tail lights. Got the Hot Wheel logo on the license plate. Yep. Cool. Next, we got the Honda Civic Si in blue with black hood with a white stripe going on top of the roof. Here the sunroof. Here silver chrome rims. Again, we have mach on the side and a white stripe on the side as well. Same thing. We have headlights and tail lights, and a Hot Wheel logo on the license plate. Very cool. Also have a big wing. There's a big wing. And lastly, we have the 98 Toyota Altezza. Black hood with G-Ready on it. G-Ready. Got G-Ready on the side. And got silver chrome striped rims. Got taillights. Got Altezza license plate on there. And we have Altezza on the front license plate. Got got headlights. Pretty cool. And it's red. And got metal base. Very cool. So these are my 2020. These are my new cars unboxing. And I gotta say, the Mach 5 is my favorite. Yep. So yeah. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.